Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how we can use frequency function in Excel to calculate frequency for data. If you see it helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, select the cells. I want to determine frequency for this cell and for this range, minus 0.5 to 0.5 to 0.5 to 5.5. First, we have to select the frequency cells. Then, insert equal sign, frequency. Yes, data array. That is the data, rainfall data. Select it, Control Shift and draw down arrow. You have to select all the data, then comma, bin array. Bin array is a limit. That is a limit. Okay, good. Control Shift and enter. Directly it calculates the frequency for this limit. We have 7 data between minus 0.5 to 2.5. We have 9 data between 2.5 and 5.5. Also, we have 7 between 5.5 and 8.5 and so on. That's all. Have a nice day.